All right, not very good news as far as the market is concerned. US tariff trauma mauling Dalal Street. Sensex is down once again by nearly 300 points at 72,000. Nifty down though by 70 points at 22,000 is what we are learning. All Asian markets have taken a hit after the tariff war, which has broken out, and how. I'm going to be going straight across to Karishma for more details on that story. Karishma, the bloodbath in Dalal Street continues. Just give us a sense of what's going on.
Well, Sneha, we are definitely picking up that besides the US tariffs, one of the major concerns that has caused this Indian stock markets to decline is the foreign institutional investors selling off. There has been a significant outflow of funds by FIIs from the Indian equity market. In October alone, they pulled out a staggering close to about 95,000 crore last year. And pending that, still, if you see in the last 6 months, there has been a major downfall with the trend continuing. This massive sell-off has added pressure to the market, and the whole sentiments have been in fact changed because of the implementation of US tariffs. And that is a big question because US had initially put their tariffs on Canada, Mexico and China, of course, with a think over or a hold later on. But now the countries have started to come back with reciprocal tariffs. And what makes us think that India will not receive one? There is full likelihood, especially even after meeting between President Trump and Prime Minister Modi, where Trump was assertive of the fact that when it comes to trade, he's very clear with his policies. So this is these concerns, these global sentiments are impacting along with the major FII sell-off. Right now, the finance ministry has not intervened. Sources tell us that they are waiting and watching the situation, and they are hopeful in next 2 weeks things would come back to normal.
All right, Karishma, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Getting in those details is my colleague Karishma telling us about the bloodbath.